Hi guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix app not compatible error on Shopify. Now, if there is a certain app that you want to download on your Shopify store, but below the app you see not compatible error, then this tutorial is for you. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix this problem easily, okay? So before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this tutorial, and let's get started right now. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store, and after that you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and you want to click on apps and sales channels, and you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Okay, so after that it will take you guys directly to Shopify App Store where you can download apps on your Shopify. Now what I'm going to do, guys, let me just okay, zoom out. All right, now what you guys need to do, for example, I would like to download TikTok app. Okay, this is just an example. Now, as you can see, I am now able to download TikTok app. Before, I wasn't able. I always see the error, not compatible below the app. Okay, as you can see, now I am able to download it without any problem. Okay, now to fix this problem, you want to go to your own Shopify store. You want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and you want to click on general here. Okay, and you want to click on this pin icon. Okay, and now you want to change the country to United States, because this problem happens when you live outside of United States, or you live outside of for example, Europe. Okay, so most of the time the problem is going to a lot of people that are going to experience this problem are from Africa, for example, like some countries where apps are not available in the country, in that country where they live. Okay, so you just need to change the country to United States. Okay, and also the state, and like the state and city doesn't really matter. You can just add any state here. The zip code, you can just come up with a random zip code and click on save. Now we want to go and download that app. Now you want to go to your Shopify App Store and download the app. After you download the app, then you want to go back to the settings. You want to click on general, and you want to click again on this pin icon, and then change it to your default country, or change it to your original country. In my case, my original country is Morocco, so I'm going to change it right now to Morocco so that I can okay, so I'm going to search here for, yeah, this is really my, like, this is my country now. So I'm going to click on save, and that's exactly, guys, how you can change back to the original country. So that's exactly how you can do this, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Yeah, see you guys next video. Please drop a like, and see you guys next tutorial.